Hi everyone, we're going to talk about how to clean your surfaces with QT Plus, which is the disinfectant provided by the district. So before I clean, I want to put on gloves. So I'm going to put my gloves on to protect myself from the chemicals in the QT Plus. And then I'm going to wet all of the surfaces with the QT Plus. Make sure they're nice and wet. Both of these face shields provided by the district can be cleaned with QT Plus. So doesn't matter which one you have, you can clean it. Wet all of the surfaces down and let the QT Plus sit on the surface for 10 minutes. That gives it plenty of time to kill the germs. And then we're going to use a paper towel to wipe up the surfaces so they are disinfected. After I have wiped up all the surfaces, then I am going to put my used paper towel in the trash. I'm also going to put my gloves in the trash. So I'm taking these off, the same glove in glove technique. That goes in the trash, and now I'm going to go wash my hands with soap and water. Thanks.